So welcome to Tech Assembler, and in this tutorial we will be discussing about Ion-fab. So let's begin. So what is fab-button? So fab-button is the floating action button, and we will see what it is actually. So let's go with the default code of the fab-button. So this is the default what we usually write about the fab-button. So let me explain this syntax. This is the fab-button container, which actually contains the different fab buttons. Okay, you can have one or more fab buttons in this Ion-fab container, and then we have the positioning of this container. So where do you want to keep it? To the vertical top, means over the device, so you want at the top or the center or at the bottom of the device. And this is the horizontal center, means so from the start, that is the left hand side or between the screen, or just right hand side. And this is the slot fix, so this 5 icon will be the fixed to the whole screen. You cannot move it, okay, or it will not be moved. So let's see this default functionality. So this is the fab icon. I just click it, but it doesn't have any function associated to it. So this is the center. So this is the top and the center. Let's start with end. Okay, so in horizontal we have a few things, that is start, center, and end. And okay, and in vertical we have top, center, and bottom. So these are the positioning of this Ion-fab. So you can place it anywhere with this combination. So when you want to place it on the like to this end, so you have to give the horizontal is so horizontal, that is the end, and the vertical to the top. So that's why the vertically it is on the top and horizontally it is end of the screen. So like this. So I just put it over here bottom, which you see in many of the screen. Okay, I just comment it out for the reference. Okay, so it will refresh. So this is the text what I have just put, and let it refresh. Okay, so okay, so this is the default functionality of Ion-fab on a click. Or if you have a scrolling list in this screen, so you can scroll the list, but this fab icon will be placed at the position, and means this slot is fixed. You cannot move this uh, fab button. Okay, so the few more things that you must know about the fab button. So that is a fab list. So how actually we will have the fab list inside this? So let's have Ion fab list. I should use this. Okay, so okay, so actually this is the full code, but we only want this is as the very good, you can say the extension, and this VS code. So this is okay. Okay, so I just deleted one more thing, that is Ion-fab list. Okay, perfect. Do we have something? Okay, fine. So okay, so first let's see what it is actually. So on a click we have this, and it automatically turns to cross. So over here this is plus, and when I click, so it turns to cross, and we have few more buttons. So how we can do this? So this is the default button which you usually see when you don't have anything clicked. So this is the add button, uh, and here is the different other buttons which is hiding. Whenever you click, so it will automatically pops up. So this is under the one more container, that is Ion-fab list. So this Ion-fab list contain the different buttons. Okay, and this fab you can just start it over the top center. Okay, so let me specify this. Okay, so the side you can give top, left, bottom, or right. So these are the sides which you can give. So I have given the top, and the rest of the things are the same as the normal fab button. So you can have any icons over here, and you can just up and down, you can just rearrange this icon. So first I want to show the angular and then ionic. So let's see how it works. So on a click, so this is the angular and this is the ionic, and in the button also you can have a click option over here. So you can just associate the click, so like this, and the function you can just write in your TypeScript, JavaScript, or anywhere in your associated file. So basically this is all about the Ion-fab. You can place it anywhere. So let's top, and so if I've placed, so let's see if I've placed this on the top and the side opens also on the top, so how it looks. So this go beyond this header, so make sure that you do not do this type of mistakes. So I will just make it bottom, so whenever I click, so it will opens in the in this town. So this is all about fab icon. Or you can also visit the Ionic framework, where we have the many more functionality, or you can say the you go just change the CSS of this Ion-fab buttons or Ion-fab list. So the so this is the different things which I already told you about. This is how you can place and on activate, or the horizontal vertical methods. So let's see a few more things if I get. So this is the logo, the same thing which we already covered. The side which I just told you about, the by default it is at the bottom, so it will opens to the bottom. And we can just change this CSS over here also, CSS of Ion-fab buttons. So you can just specify this double dash. I already told you that it is the variable, so you can just easily change this. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.